Welcome to the BullHorn. Howard, how are you doing? Let's get right into it. BlackBerry, research in motion. Maybe it's not dead yet. Stock has had a huge move from its 52-week low, and it's rallied after they announced their playbook competitor to the iPad. What do you think? Is RIM actually something worth maybe investing in?
Well, I think for some people here who caught a really angry RIM market, they made quick 25-30%. I think the hot money continues to be obviously in Apple, fleeing Microsoft, a little bit of Qualcomm and Broadcom on the chip side. But RIM snuck up on everybody here in the fourth quarter. Number 4 in mobile is still hundreds of billions of dollars of business. It's hard to call yourself a Palm when Palm really, bit the dust.
Yeah.
RIM is no Palm. RIM is no iPhone. RIM was the old iPhone. I mean, out with the old, in with the new, but RIM can't be written off with all that corporate cash flow. And, it trades right now within a range, and there are traders that love it.
Speaking of another stock that traders love, in with the old, as the case may be, Caterpillar. It's the best performing Dow stock this year. They're selling yuan bonds, clearly capitalizing on manufacturing strength in China. What are people talking about there? It's an amazing story for that stock.
As the stream says and answers, why issue bonds in yuans? And you can because of the very low yield. So, Caterpillar tapped, as the stream calls it, the fledgling Hong Kong dim sum bond market and got 156 million yen. So you go where the money is. Humans have done this. Creature comforts of the United States. Caterpillar would sure love to raise money in California and New York, but they went to Hong Kong.
Right, definitely.
Cool.
Moving on and wrapping up, we talk a lot on this show about emerging markets. Usually it's China and India. We haven't talked as much about Brazil, but noticing among the 52-week highs on Tuesday, you had a Brazilian retailer. It's just fascinating how that's another emerging market that investors may not know much about. What's the story there?
From our stream, obviously, because of the way we discuss stocks, technically it looks strong. Chile and Peru are two of the best performing markets in the world over the last 52 weeks. Brazil not far behind. So if you really want to dig in behind the ETFs and pull out some companies, this is what people on the stream do, that love to trade, is they get into the ETFs themselves and find out, which companies are doing well. And retail's doing well around the world. Personally, I don't love grocery chains, low margin business, but, that seems to be one of the stocks that the stream has adored.
Right. No, definitely. I guess it just goes to show that the consumer, just like our humble BlackBerry, may not be dead yet. Thanks, Howard. We'll do this again on Friday.